Yeah, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to Take Brutal FX, and we are back right today. This is a new week and it's a profitable week. So today I'll be dropping another good strategy that will help you to raise your money from probably a $10 account to probably $100 if you're consistent with your discipline. One thing with forex strategies is that you have to be very consistent. Having a strategy is good, but consistency is the key to becoming successful in the forex market. All right, so today I'll be sharing with you a very quick strategy. I don't want it to be I don't want the video to be long. I just want it to be short so you can get all the points. But make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe to Take Brutal FS, because we'll be giving you tips, mentorship, and strategies that will be helping you to trade profitable in the forex market. All right, so let's go right into it. Now, this strategy has two indicators. It's an indicator strategy. But we'll be using a bit of harmony between some indicators. We're going to be using two indicators mainly. That is the RSI and the stochastic oscillator. All right. So the RSI indicator is still the same RSI indicator we used in our previous video. If you have not watched it, please do well. It will be on the screen. The link is in the description. Do well to check it out. Watch it. It's very profitable. The RSI indicator is very important for every trader. All right, so let's go right into it. Now I'm going to explain it, then I'll give you the setup. Now, we trade only spikes. This channel is only meant for strategies for spikes, for volatility, 75 1x index, and VIX 10. That's what we trade. We give you good strategy about all these instruments. Okay, the boom and crash, from boom 1000 to boom 300, crash 1000 to crash 300. But what we do is, using our discipline, we manage our losses once we encounter losses, because trading spikes will give you room not to make much losses in the market. But if you are scalping, you will definitely lose. So we will be giving you strategies to make you trade the boom and crash market spikes. All right, you see, as we're just talking now, can you see it's already spiking? So that's the kind of thing we do, and I will show you how I milk this market. All right, so let's add the RSI indicator. You go to your F, click on your F plus. You see your RSI, relative strength index, not relative Vigo index, relative strength index. All right, so the period is 14. Apply to close. All right, apply to close. Style is 3 pixel. You can use any pixel. All right, the levels we have level 30, 70, 50, 20, and 90 level. All right, so just this setup, just like this. All right, okay, so then you click done. All right, so we have our RSI indicator. All right, as you can see, this is it. This is our RSI indicator. Make sure you are using, I'm going to give you a hint about the zoom level you'll be using. This is the first zoom level, second zoom level, third zoom level, fourth zoom level, and the fifth zoom level. But we'll be using the second zoom level, okay? This is the second zoom level. That's what we'll be using, because it gives you a clearer view of what the market looks like. Okay, so once you have your market like this, make sure it's at this end so that you can see the closing prices of all the assets of all the instruments. Okay, all right. So we've added the first indicator. That we want to now harmonize it with another indicator called the stochastic oscillator. So let's add the Stoch oscillator. All right, the Stoch oscillator we add again. You go to your stochastic oscillator. Is under your oscillators, stochastic oscillator. All right, now the stochastic oscillator decay period is 15. The D period is 5. Slowing is 5. Price field is low high, and method is simple. We just want to use the simple method. Then you use the levels we have is 20, 80, 90, and let me add some description to it. Now this should be our 20 level. 20 level is the 20 level is the sold level or the sell level. Okay, all right. Then the next one is the 80 level. The 80 level is the buy level. All right, the next one should be our 90 level. 90 is extreme buy. All right, extreme buy. The last should be extreme sell. All right, now extreme sell. Okay, so this is what we have. Then we'll go back. As you can see, now the main is 3 pixel, the signal is 3 pixel. All right, so we press done. All right, go back to your chart. This is what we have on our chart now. All right, remember second zoom level. This is our second zoom level. Okay, so now let's try to harmonize it and try to milk the market. Okay, so now once you get a signal that the market is an uptrend market, right here you can see right here there is a signal that this market is an uptrend market. Here this is our 200 moving average. This is our 200 moving average. As you can see, is our 200 moving average. You see, once the candlesticks, the spike candlesticks start trading above it, above the 200 moving average, you know that it is what? An uptrend. Okay, so now as you can see here, once this red oscillator, which should be the main, is crossing from below, you can see right here is crossing below the blue signal. The blue signal is crossing below the blue signal. You enter for a buy in boom. All right, now watch. You see there is a consolidation here. There's a consolidation between the RSI 14 and the 1555 oscillator. Now as you can see here, this is at our what? Extreme sell. So once your candlestick, the strength of your RSI start trending in our this strong zone, which is the extreme sell zone, we can enter the buy market. And immediately we enter, imagine this is in 5 minute time frame. That is the time frame you're going to be using. 5 minutes time frame. Don't try it in 1 minute. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Okay, you see it? You see it? Extreme buy. Up to this point. You see it? Up to this point. You see, once it reaches here, if you check, this is also at what? This is at the 80th level. So we bought our boom from here up to our 80 level. But the take profit range would be, you use your RSI to take profit. Once your candle, this relative strength index reaches above the 50 level or close to 80 level, close to the 80 level, 70 level, you take your profit. Then this one now, when it's close to 80, you take your profit. All right, when it's close to 80, you take your profit, because watch this. It came back came back down to this point. If you are trading with a $10 account, I know what would have happened. Okay, so you just take your profit and it goes back up. All right, so let's try another asset. Let's check it out in Crash 1000. Crash 1000. Wow. This is what Crash 1000 have been doing today. This is just today's market. Okay, so now let me show you. This is our oscillator. Remember, when the red is crossing the blue, watch this. Red crossing the blue is giving us the same thing as our what? As our RSI at 70 level. If somebody is seeing it, look at it. It's very clear, very clear. Very clear. You see it? It's giving us what? A sell position. You enter for a sell position. Now, what I'll advise you, if you have a very low account, or if you're trading with $10 account, open a 0.3 lot position. Then once the market enters around 0.05 or 0.06, you close it with 0.2 so that you have 0.1 lot open. 0.1 lot open. So even though the market is still going long, okay, imagine this kind of thing happened here and you enter the market around here. You see what is happening? It went up again, up to about 10 pips. So had it been you are using 0.2, you are already in $2 loss. So, but if you are using 0.1, you are having just $1 loss. So that will really save you from, it will save you from losing. Okay, so the same thing happened. Okay, now this is what you have. You have this here. You see, when it's crossing under here, see, over sold level. You see it, oversold level. We can take a buy, but I don't advise scalping. Remember, we are spiking, we are not scalping. Okay, are we together? So it's the same thing for boom and crash. So let's check Crash 500. Okay, you see, I even entered a position up there, but it didn't pick me. You see, down here, you see, it didn't reach. I was waiting for it to reach, but it didn't reach. If you check this one now, it reached there. This is at the 50th level. Remember, it's already a downtrend all the way from here. From here. You see it from here. See it from here. You got all of this. So now, if you go from here, watch. Let's calculate the pips. From here to this point is about 110 pips. So if you use the least lot size, which is 0.2, you are $21 profit. Are we together? Are you seeing it? It's very profitable. Very profitable. Now let's go to boom 500. The same thing in boom 500. Wow. Can you see it? Watch. This is very profitable. Watch. This is it. Come down here. You see it. All the way up to this point. This is sweet. Try it out. But first of all, try it out. You need to try it out. Watch. This thing is very profitable. Very profitable. Look at this one. Very profitable. Very profitable. Try it out. Remember, we are buying, not in boom. We are buying, we are not selling in boom. And in crash, we are selling. Crash 300. Let's check Crash 300. Sometimes Crash 300 used to misbehave. It used to misbehave sometimes. What's wrong with my network? Okay, it's the same thing. See. Watch. Just watch. You see it. It gave you this spike. You see this one. It gave you this spike. You see this log spike here. You see this one too. It gave you this spike. So it's working. I love this. You see another one. You see it. You see another spike. So it's working. It's a perfect strategy. It's a very perfect strategy. See it. See it. Imagine. See it from here. If you calculate it using 0.05, you have 3 point this $3.8. I'm talking is still going, this is $4.2 now. $4.2 using the D slot. You are safe. Don't be afraid. You are safe with this strategy. You are safe. Just follow the rules. You are very safe. You are very, very safe. Thank you so much. You can see it's working. I love this. You see, it's working. What you have to do for me, I'll be dropping strategies and I'll be giving ebooks too, free ebooks, my own ebooks that I've used. You see, our 200 is serving as a resistance here. I will talk about that in our next video using 200 MA. 200 moving average as a resistance. I'll talk about it in a next video. So do well to subscribe because I'm going to drop it very soon. You see, it's showing you that this is an uptrend. This is our our support zone. You see it, support zone. You see it. This strategy is very, very sweet. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tech Brutal FS. Don't forget to always refer people. It's free. I'm not collecting a dime from you. I'm giving you this free of charge. Don't worry. Every week we'll be dropping nothing less than two strategies every week. 2 to 3 strategies every week. Starting from Monday, Wednesday and Friday, Saturdays, we'll be dropping strategies. See, it's very, very effective. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I love you all.